Do you feel shackled in a 9-to-5 job? Do you want to have financial freedom where you don't have to worry about being stressed while paying the monthly bills? Do you dream of being your own boss? If you answered yes to any of these questions, it might be time that you learn how to start a real estate business. One of the more popular reasons why people start a real estate business is the control. You can control everything. Your time is managed by you. You are the CEO of your company and your brand. You call all the shots when it comes to the growth of your business. As I mentioned in one of my previous videos, being an entrepreneur is a lot of hard work, dedication, and sacrifice. But if this is the lifestyle that you want, then let us show you how to start a successful real estate business. I even have the most critical step of all as a bonus section or a bonus step when starting a real estate business. So make sure to watch all the way to the end. This step is so simple, but it's so effective. Welcome to Clueless Realtor, where we help realtors succeed. In today's video, I will be discussing how you can start a real estate business. If this is your first time visiting, then leave a comment and hit the notification bell to be notified of our weekly videos. And please don't forget to subscribe. Real estate is a wonderful career, but it's not a walk in the park. You work a lot of hours. If you are starting out, you probably should not take any days off. You definitely should not take a vacation your first year, maybe even going into your second year. You probably shouldn't expect much of a consistent check either. I say these things because when you first start a real estate career, you won't have the luxury of financial freedom, the free time to do whatever it is that you want, or the benefit of having high commission paying clients. But if you watch this full video with a goal-oriented mindset and a little bit of hard work, you will learn how to start a real estate business. One of the first things that you need to get started is to identify your personal goals. Find the why factor. Why do I want to start a real estate career? Be honest and ask yourself, what is my motivation? This is very important to identify before you start a career, because there are going to be days, weeks, and months when you will be down in the valley, especially during your first couple of years. Fear will start to creep into your head. Self-sabotage will rear its ugly little face when you look into the mirror. You will have some sleepless nights wondering, why did I do this? This why factor, once identified, is what is going to keep you climbing until you are out of the valley. This why factor is going to help you look in the mirror with confidence. This why is going to help you rest peacefully instead of having sleepless nights. This why is going to cause you to have favor over fear. Secondly, you will need to conduct research. Research your local real estate market, the different brokerages, and your biggest competitors. These are labeled as external factors, factors that are outside of your control and outside of your business. Once you have done your research on the external factors, now you need to identify the internal factors. What are your greatest strengths? What are your weaknesses? And how are you going to stand out from the competition? Thirdly, you will need to build a website. Having a website is so important to a real estate business. A website is going to help you bring in more leads and traffic to your real estate business. A website allows you to write blog posts that you can share with your audience or just random people who might be doing a search on real estate topics like how to buy a home or what do I need to buy a home. I know that building a website is probably intimidating, and that's totally fine. I was intimidated, and to be honest with you, I still am intimidated when it comes to building a website or implementing a blog post. But like anything else, it just takes time and practice. Eventually, you will start to feel comfortable. Here are some website builders that will help you ease your tension. My favorite is WordPress, but there are others like Wix.com, Web.com, GoDaddy, and Site Builder. If it really comes down to it, you can always hire a web developer, but they can be a little pricey. Fourth, you need to design a marketing plan. How do you want to market your business? What type of marketing is most effective? There are different avenues like email marketing, direct mail, and social media marketing. Email marketing is probably my favorite, and it's basically when you can send a direct, customized email to those that have given you their email address. This is a great way to share any listings that you have coming up, an open house that you will be hosting this weekend, or valuable facts about the local real estate market. Direct mail is strategically grabbing a zip code and you target every resident in that zip code with a letter highlighting your services and expertise. Social media marketing is announcing your business and services on the different social media platforms. Make sure to weigh the pros and the cons of each marketing strategy and figure out what's best for you. So, let's do a quick review before I give you this lead generating bonus that I promised you earlier. Find your why factor, conduct research, build a website, and design a marketing campaign. Now, the bonus step that I promised you earlier in the video is the most important of all. Follow up with every single lead. It sounds very simple, doesn't it? But one of the worst things that you can do is not follow up or ignore any leads that might come from a marketing campaign or email marketing. Don't concentrate on if the lead will generate at this very moment. It might come back to you a couple of months down the line, and that's what's most important, as long as you get the lead. Make it your goal to nurture and develop a rapport with every lead that you come in contact with. So, those are my tips on how to start a successful real estate business. If you have any ideas or factors or tips to help start a real estate career, I'd love to hear about them. Be sure to share in the comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this video and give it a thumbs up. Be safe, be well, and let's go sell some houses.